Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm excited to show you a fifth wheel that is on the shorter side, but I absolutely love it because it's got this rear kitchen, plenty of space to walk around, and it's just a really nice unit, of course, especially for the price here at Funtown RV in Waco. But I want to see what you guys think, of course, and so again, it is a Cardinal, and this one is 23RK. It has, let's see, one slide. So it's got one slide. You've got your awning that comes out. Let's see. Your backup camera prep. Some storage space on over here and then over on the other side as well, but let's take a look inside. Right away you notice all the space that you get, and I love having that space, and I always love the rear kitchens, you know, in the corner, all the space that you get, so you got plenty of storage. And I love this white wood look, always have. Soft close. There we go. All right. And again, plenty of space, plenty of storage. I like how there is enough counter space over here that you can do all kinds of stuff. But it's also not squished. It's just, it's super cute unit. So if it's a coach, so there's no bunk. So if you are ready to grab a fifth wheel for a great price and it's just you, or it's just you and your spouse or partner, this is a great unit. Look at that beautiful window. You got one on both sides, and then you've got your windows over here. You've got tons of storage up here as well. You got your wine holder, wine rack, microwave, 3-burner, oven. This is for your pots and pans. Oh, I love it. Very different. You got more storage over here. A nice size fridge, so plenty of area here that you can fill this fridge and still have space. You've got a little, they provide a little step stool, but again, it's more space underneath that as well. You've got a really nice, I love the color, a really nice couch. I'm sure it turns into a bed as well. You've got it's a dinette, so a table. So the table does go here, and I believe it is stored right now. But you do have a dinette. I love the bench look. Super cute. And then, of course, you do have storage under there, and I think this makes it should make another bed, but I'm not really sure on that. But definitely storage underneath. Super comfy. Love it. You've got your entertainment, so you got your fireplace / heater, some storage up there, and I love those dark tinted mirror windows, or glass. Get it right, Rachel. Glass in those, and I always do. I like that tinted look, that dark. And of course you've got your entertainment and more storage. But let's take a look at our bathroom. Very nice, yeah. So again, you've got a lot of space in here. So plenty of room. You're not going to bump your knees. You're not going to, I mean, 2 people can easily fit in there. You've got storage here. I love this little sink and counter space. Very nice. And then the master. I haven't actually seen one of those like that before, but I absolutely love it. So you can put all your stuff on the side, or I mean above you, versus having everything on the side. So it does give you more space on each side, or a little bit more space, but you have a step up as well. That's really nice. And then you've got these large storage areas. Love it. On both sides. You can hang up your clothes, put some stuff in there, and then you have some more closet space over here. So I do love this. Look, you've got a lot of area, so you have that storage, because I know how it can be difficult to find enough space. But again, I like that there's also that step up to get into the bed. It's plenty of space, but it's really nice. All right, so you guys let me know what you think of this unit. Again, I love it. The white wood makes it look bigger, and it really is a great size. You know, just a fifth wheel with this length, you would think it just would be too squished, but it absolutely is not. It is a really spacious unit for the size, and of course the money, you know, the price for this is absolutely crazy, because of course we do huge discounts. All right, so if you want any more information, let me know. I will get that to you. Read the description, you'll get my information, but let me know what you think.